Zilliqa holders, don't do this mistake, otherwise you are completely and the lost. Why I tell you, my friends, to this is not a selling time. Everybody understand this is very big mistake to if you are starting selling. Exactly, my friend. This is the live price prediction or live price prediction. I told you, my friend, in this video to what's the mistake people starting, and this is the current time. This is 30th of April, and every holder understand what I talk to you in this video. Please, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe Abhishek channel. Please click out the red button and subscribe this channel for latest news and updates, and first bell icon for videos notification. Kindly like this video. This time you can see here in the last 1 hour the change occurred as a negative and they completely fails down. So definitely, my friend, this is the reason to I told you, my friend, to don't sell it. If you are starting selling, then exactly Zilliqa has change occur and negative. They are completely fails down. The price is completely fails down. So I told you, my friend, first of all, to don't sell it. Please don't sell it and hold it. Please hold it. Don't sell it. Hold it and wait for a good next month, my friend. Wait for a good time. I hope they give you very good profit. They make you a millionaire. But this time you can see here they completely fails down and the change occurred in the price, my friend. You can see here also minus 0.61%. This is, I think, the short, a very small change occur, but this is a negative. So this is, and you can see here the resistance line cross it and fails down. Okay, let's check out the last 7 days previous chart, my friend, to what's going on in the last 7 days chart. You can see here Zilliqa is one of the fastest coin, my friend. They're going completely in the moon. So please don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. The change occurs in positive, so they move go in the moon. Please, Zilliqa is going in the moon. The price is increased now. Half US dollar, they can hit it just 1 or 2 days. I request you, my brothers, so don't sell it. Please, they make you millionaire. Thanks for watching, Zilliqa holder. And upcoming days, Zilliqa is moving up, so don't sell it and wait for a good time. Allah Hafiz, take care. Please like this video, subscribe this channel.